Hello and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making southern fried fish. You will need 3/4 cups of cornmeal, 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, canola oil for frying, and any fish of your choice. For this video, I'll be using tilapia. In a dish, mix together the cornmeal and baking powder. Now add the salt, pepper, cayenne pepper, paprika, onion powder, and garlic powder and mix well. Coat the fish with the buttermilk, dredge in the cornmeal mixture, then place them on a wire rack. Preheat your oil to 375 degrees. Fry your fish for 3.5 minutes on each side. Remove the fish from the oil and place on paper towels. Now allow your fish to stand for 2 minutes before serving. This classic recipe is sure to delight your family and friends. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
To